Hello friends, welcome to Desert View Studio. My name is Virginia. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make Jenga blocks lantern. First, glue 3 blocks together and make 16 sets. Allow glue to dry before moving on to the next steps. Here I'm assemble the lid, which require total of 21 pieces. You will need 3 sets of single blocks and 2 sets of double blocks. Glue all pieces as you are seeing here. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you and welcome. And if you are return members, thank you very much for continue supporting my channel. Here I'm assemble the frame. Use 3-piece set as the base and add a single piece of Jenga block and spacing them equally. And then add 3-piece single set like so. Here I'm creating middle section of the frame. After adding a single piece of Jenga blocks on both sides, you will then add a 3-piece single set on top as you are seeing here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you very much. On my channel, I have many projects that I had worked on using Jenga blocks. Please don't forget to go check them out. And here is the last section. You will add individual blocks and spacing them equally. Repeat as step number 1. To complete each frame, you will need total of 22 Jenga blocks. Allow each pieces to dry before going on to the next step. Here I'm tracing the frame onto the shopping mat that I purchased from Dollar Tree. You will need total of 4 pieces. This project is really easy to make. I hope you give it a try. In this tutorial, the stain color that I use is called Golden Oak from Minwax. You can use any type of paint or you can leave it natural color. It still come out look nice. To glue the shopping mat, I use E6000 because it's better adhesion compared to using the hot glue. When I glue the shopping mat, I put shiny side facing down. However, this is depend on your preference. To help the frame stand up straight, you can use bottles or any type of object in support as you are seeing here. And this is what we have so far. Next, I will be working on the base of the lantern. Glue 7 pieces of jumbo sticks together and then add 3 pieces across. Cut the overhang as you are seeing here. If you prefer to use scissors to remove the overhang, that's okay too. After that, you can start staining the piece. Attach the 2 pieces together. And here's the finished product. I hope you like it as much as I do. Isn't it cute? If you were to make this project, what color will you choose? Please don't forget to comment down below. If this look is too plain for you, you can always attach floral, different kind of color, which will still make it look nice. Follow me on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.